How to log into Synchrony Bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into your Synchrony Bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, search for Synchrony Bank account in your web browser. Then you'll find this login to your account option right here on the top. You can tap on that and open it up. After you open it up, you will be on this page. Let's let it load. And while this loads, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. After you're on the sign in page, all you have to do is type in your username, then your password. So after you do that, you can tap on the sign in button. And if you want to make your login process easier for the future, you can tap on remember username as well. And yeah, finally you can tap on sign in and log in into your account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.